In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up back button focus in the Nikon D3400. If you want more great photography videos and more Nikon D3400 videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out these playlists in the card up here. Setting up back button focus on the D3400 is actually pretty simple. We're customizing two buttons. We're customizing the AEL/AFL button and the shutter button itself, so that when you press the AE/AFL buttons, that activates focus, and then when you press the shutter button, it just takes the photo for you. So to do that, you need to go into the menu system, and you need to get to the wrench menu and find the buttons option, which is on the third menu page of the wrench menu. And we're going to go in here, and the first thing we need to do is assign the AEL/AFL button to activate focus. So you can hit OK or the right arrow to go into that menu, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select the AF on option. Now when you do that, by default, the camera will still focus with both the shutter button and it'll focus with the back button. We want it to just focus with the back button so that the shutter button will only trigger the shutter to take a photo. So we need to go back into the menu and back to the buttons and set the AF activation for the shutter button to disable. Now the shutter button won't focus no matter what you do, no matter how many times you press it. You focus just by pressing the back button. That allows you to get a focus lock and keep that focus lock and take pictures as many times as you want without actually changing the focus. So that's how you set up back button focus on the Nikon D3400. If you have any questions about the D3400, check my playlist up here to make sure I haven't already covered it, and if I haven't, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more great photography videos and hit that bell button to make sure you don't miss a single one of my videos, and then grab your D3400 and get out there and take some damn photos.